Hello, my name's Cassidy. Today I will teach you how to draw the red angry bird with a Santa hat. So the first step is to draw a full circle. There will be a lot of erasing in this process. So see, first you draw the whole circle. And then you draw the Santa hat. This goes at least down, no, it doesn't go at least down to there. Santa hat goes at least down to here, and then up, up. So here's the Santa hat and the bird. Here, this is another view. Now you can pause at any time. Okay. And then you erase the top of the bird's head, like that. Then you draw his eyes, and his eyes are together, like that. So that's part. Then you draw the angry mark. Now the bird has to be angry, or it won't be the right kind of bird. He's an angry bird having Christmas. I sort of messed up, so I have to erase for a minute. There. So, here, 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 and there. Then there. And you color circles right in the eyes. There. Then draw the beak, which goes out, then draw the beak here, then draw a line through the middle of the beak. Then it ends up like that. And then draw little bird feathers. Did it wrong, just a second. So draw little bird feathers. See, little bird feathers. And then you erase the part of the bird that's connecting, so it will look like those bird feathers are attached. And then draw a half circle all the way through. Then here's a view. Now you have an angry bird. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. There will be more how to draw videos and other videos from me soon. And if you want to color it, the Santa hat, well, it's like a Santa. Oh wait, I forgot one more step to the Santa hat. Draw a line right through the Santa hat, right there. Okay, and now that's all. Please subscribe to my video. Bye-bye.